Default sample text with edit techniques. Likewise, Dreamweaver, Adobe has introduced default text option in Adobe Photoshop CC 2019. Text change is now at the next level. You do not need to hit the enter key to apply the text changes. Let's watch in this video how this option works. This is my type tool. I select it and I draw a text box over here. See this? Photoshop added a by default text which is built in the Photoshop CC 2019, which is lorem ipsum. This option is very handy if you do not have a text and you are going to design a brochure or a leaflet. By default, it is selected. If you do not like this selection, just use a shortcut key which is Ctrl H or Command H to unselect this text. Let me click somewhere on my artboard. It is now unselected. Now if you have to select again, before in previous versions, you click on the text tool and select this one. This option is still in this version. Let me type something over here. For example, here I type hello world. Now Photoshop has introduced an easy way as well, which is the your select tool. You need to double click on this one and you can modify this text. For example, I make a new paragraph and type hello world here too. It is so easy. The same applies with the simple text as well. This was the text box I draw over here. Now I simply write the text. I click on my artboard and see that the by default text is over there, which is same the lorem ipsum. And by default it is also selected. If you do not want this option, just press Ctrl H to unselect this. Again, I want to edit this one. Simply my selection tool is selected. I will double click and I can type anything over here. This is so easy. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please do not forget to like and subscribe for my upcoming videos.